Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to perform a resection setup with MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've connected up to the Total Station demo, and I'm going to head to the right side of my menu here, and I'm going to go Select Mode, and I'm going to make sure I have the resection option selected here. And once I do that, I'm now going to have the option to select a point that I want to take a measurement on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shot on point 342. Now, obviously, since I'm using the demo, I'm going to have to manually enter this information. If you were using an actual total station, it would be measured for you. So once I have that all entered here, I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to be brought back to my map screen where I'm going to need to select my next point, and I'm going to choose one of these points here. In this case, I'm going to use point 320. I'm going to hit the resection option again, and I'm going to enter a horizontal, vertical, and slope distance. Again, since I'm using the simulator, I've got to do this manually. And once I have all that information entered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit OK here. And you can see I now have a position that my total station thinks it is at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Store Point here. It's going to ask me to input all my point information here. So I'm going to enter that and click on Save here. It's then going to give me the orientation results. You can see I've got a horizontal distance and elevation distance, and then my error on said points. And now, obviously, since I was using the simulator total station, I'm going to have a little bit of error and a little bit larger than I would ideally like to see, but that is fine for today's video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Accept if these results are good for me, or Observe again if I want to try again to get better results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Accept, and you can see I now have my total station set up on the map screen, and I'm ready to begin surveying. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.